Prime Minister of Uganda, Robinah Nabbanja, has ordered the suspension of the planned eviction of people in Kyegegwa district.
Mr. Bafach, I want to stop you from doing any activity related to eviction in that place until when the president guides me otherwise. I don't even want you to step there because we don't want to hear issues that so and so was injured or done what until when the president guides me on the matter. So in the meantime, status quo.
The leaders, led by Jackson Kafuzi, the Deputy Attorney General and Member of Parliament from Kyegegwa, briefed the Prime Minister at her office in Kampala that the people were spending sleepless nights and hardly engaging in government programs due to the eviction threats. Kafuzi and the LC5 chairperson Kyegegwa district, Byamukama John Chisoke, said that officials from OPM have been in their area telling people to vacate the land immediately. Distributed areas cover Kazinga Town Council, Retuha Sub-County and Impara Town Council with government-aided and private schools, health centers and other public installations such as churches and mosques.
The Honorable Minister Hilary has made his intention known to evict people from our land, from Kazinga Town Council, from Rwentuha Sub-County, and from Impara Town Council. That area right now, off-head, we could be having more than 150,000 people in the 3 sub-counties. It is heavily populated, heavily developed, fully occupied or encumbered, but he wants to evict people. So we came to you, Right Honorable, so that you can assist us as the leader of government business to stop his intentions or plans and let our people sit and develop their areas so that we go forward and work on whatever legal methods are required to give the people free land.
After keenly listening to the cries of the leaders of Kyegegwa, the Prime Minister Robinah Nabbanja stopped all the planned evictions by officials from her office.
Mr. Bafach, I want to stop you from doing any activity related to eviction in that place until when the president guides me otherwise.
Nabbanja lauded the leaders from Kyegegwa for choosing peaceful means to resolve the issues at hand and promised to visit locals for a fact-finding mission.
The person LC5, the RDC, DPC, and many other people, the affected persons, the leaders, the LC3s, the district councillors, and everybody for choosing peace. This is the way to go.
Yeah.
And 2, I want to inform you that this will be brought to the attention of the president. According to the chairman LC5, the president has been there many times.
Yes.
And he knows the place which we are talking about. So if the area is heavily populated with government institutions, government installations, government schools, the way they are talking here, because according to the chairman LC5, Kazinga Town Council has 14 schools, both government and private.
Bachi, who preferred to talk off camera, said that he is being threatened with death. During the meeting, the Prime Minister asked Bafachi to explain why they want to evict people from the Bibanja but had no explanation and could not reveal who the investor was. It should be recalled that 2018, Charles Bafachi was arrested for allegedly grabbing a 200-acre piece of land in Kazinga village, Retuha Sub-County in Kyegegwa district by Commission of Inquiry into Land Matters led by Justice